Hi, Miss Jenny Ann Di Maculangan. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, ma'am. I'm Jenny Ann Piñamante Di Maculangan. I'm 37 years old. I live in Santa Lucia, Sablayan, Occidental, Mindoro. I'm single mom.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am. I have 5 kids, 3 boys and 2 girls.
How many siblings do you have?
I have siblings, 6. I'm eldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I finished the high school graduate year 2005-2006.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I have 6 years work abroad.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, trustworthy, helpful, hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to earn money for the future of my kids and my family.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I will play with them and I will give them toys.
Can you sing a nursery song?
And the wheels on the bus and round, round and round. Wheel on the bus and round, all through the town.
What is your message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you hire me, I will learn and I will do my best if you hire me. And if you teach me, and if you hire me, I will do my best. Thank you.